Hey guys, welcome to a new video. This will be the first video of week 4. Today is Monday and we're going to train legs. Now I have something unfortunate to tell you guys. So it seems that I didn't hit my 3-day minimum for last week. So we're going to try and compensate by doing more than 3 days this week. It would be nice if we could just do 3 days per week consistently every week with a few bonus days here and there, but last week we didn't get that done, so we're just going to keep moving forward, try to get myself down to the gym even though I'm still sick, and hopefully this will be a good week. I want to do some plyometrics today, so we'll start with that. So let's get straight into it, shall we?
For this whole session I was using my earbuds as the microphone. Just wanted to try something new, but it ended up not working well. The sound quality turned out to be really bad, so I'll be using voiceovers for the rest of this video. This first exercise I chose was some simple jump squats, and since these were body weight I decided to go for 20 reps. Nice and easy, get that burn going for the first set, and after this exercise I changed it up. Next exercise I used the box. Don't know what these are called, but I stepped off and then jumped up as fast as I could with as much power as I could. The plan was to go for 20 reps, but for some reason I stopped at 18 and I can't remember why, but must have been feeling the burn. Pretty soon I'll be making a small change just to speed it up a bit. Instead of walking around the box every single time for every rep, I decide to turn around and then do the next rep facing backwards. First set done, just had a little bit of a rest and then got into the second set. Same thing, just a different angle. I did 18 reps and I can't remember why I didn't just go for the 20, but maybe it was a lot harder than it looks now that I'm watching it back. In my mind I was trying to put all my effort into every single rep, but it doesn't look like I'm jumping very high. Going into the last rep, pretty happy with the effort I put in for this set. After this set, I decided to change the exercise. Now, who doesn't like some classic split squat jumps, or lunging jumps, whatever you like to call them? I'm really glad these burned because I needed something that would really push me through 3 sets. So that's what we did. Aimed for 20 reps, meaning 10 per leg, and that's what we rolled with for the next 2 sets. 17th rep, and I'm really feeling the burn. Had to take a little bit of a break before finishing off the set. So here we go. 18, a little bit of a break. 19, and 20. What a killer. Going into this second set, my legs felt so plump. It was pretty hard to put out as much power as I wanted to, but we still tried our best. Towards the end, I definitely wasn't jumping that high. And another thing I'm noticing while watching this back is that my left leg goes out to the side quite a bit every single time I lunge down. I'll need to talk about this with my physio, but I think it's a glute medius weakness in my right leg that's causing me to need to rely on some extra stability from my left leg. Doing pretty good though, made it to the 20 reps with that last set. Now here we are with our final set. Third and final set done. Now we're going to move on to the next exercise. So these are called Nordic hamstring curls. As you can see, the setup is pretty simple. You just have your feet anchored down to something heavy, and then you lean forward as slowly as you can. You just want to focus on that eccentric, control it as best as you can, and then if you're strong enough, you will be able to lift yourself back up to kneeling position without pushing off with your hands, but that's not the case with me. I had to push up and just focus on the eccentric for this exercise. It's always after you finish that you start to feel the pain. So first set done, then we went on to do 2 more sets of 10. I know this video isn't that very long. This workout altogether was pretty quick, and I didn't do that many exercises, but we're doing our best to just try and ease back into the gym, especially after taking a few days off while sick. But the most important thing is just to try and get some work done. We can always worry about getting more work done later down the track. Last set, here we go. Same thing, just focusing on controlling it as best as we can, especially on this very last set when I'm really tired. Need to make sure I'm getting as much as I can out of it, so control is key. I definitely could have done more exercises after this, but that was it for this workout. The audio quality here was so bad, I just had to do a voiceover again. Basically, I'm talking about calling it a night. Pretty happy with the workout because I was feeling the burn. And then also, I mentioned here that our next workout will be down at the rugby club, so stay tuned.